Hello students, this is our third video on knowing our number chapter, which is our first chapter in class 6 mathematics. So if you haven't checked out our previous video that we have made on these initial topics, then I will be keeping their link in the description of this video. Now let's resume our exercise from question number 3 till question number 2. I think we have completed one question in our last video, and I also ask you to complete the remaining exercise by yourself, and I also ask you to provide the correct answer with your name and school name in the comment of that video. I hope everybody got correct answers. If not, then you can always ask me in comment down below. Now let's focus on question number 3, which is, let's read it what it is asking us. So it is asking us to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digit with conditions as given. So what here we need to do is we need to form 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that we need to form using any 4 different digit. Using any 4 digit that can start from 0 to 9, and then there is a condition applied. For example, here we can see digit 7 is always at 1's place. So here we can see the 7 is always placed at this position. So in order to make biggest digit just the way we did in past, what we need to do here is we need to arrange the digits in from largest to smallest. So from 0 to 9, we know 9 is the largest digit. So that is why we will place 9 here. And here we can also see that we only need to use unique digit. So that is why we cannot place 9 here. Then we will try to place the biggest digit after 9, which is 8. And then here obviously I wish to put 7 here, but since 7 is already placed here, therefore I cannot place 7 here. So what is the digit that is biggest after 7? The digit that is biggest after 7 is 6, so therefore I will write 6 here. And then the last one is 7, which is fixed and I cannot change it. That's how, guys, we found the greatest 4-digit number with 7 placed at 1's place. Similarly, if I want to create the smallest digit here, so the smallest digit from 0 to 9 is 0. But what will happen if I place 0 here? So as we know that 0 itself have no value. Therefore, if I place 0 at first place, then this will become as 3-digit number, not as 4-digit number. Therefore, what I will do is I will use 1 digit greater than 0. So that will be 1. Then since we have not used 0, therefore I would like to keep 0 at 100th place. And then since we have used 0 and 1, the next bigger digit is 2. And then we cannot change 7. So in this way, guys, we finalize or concluded 1027 as smallest digit. So in this way, students, we were able to get the answer as 9867 as largest digit number when we have fixed digit 7 here, and 1027 or 1027 as smallest 4-digit number when we have 7 as fixed. So in the same way, students, we need to solve these 3 as well. And remember, students, never start any 4-digit number with 0, because when we start any number with 0, since 0 do not have got any value if we place it on left, therefore we cannot place 0 in the beginning. I hope, students, you will able to get correct answer. You can post your answer with your name and school name in comment down below. Until then, students, keep exploring, keep enjoying, and keep learning. Also, do not forget to subscribe NCERT Clips to see or follow our lecture. and I will see you in our next lecture. Till then, you take care and bye bye.